All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so what do we have? I think the next thing to tackle is number 700, as outlined by Thompson's. Number 700. Yeah. Aha, it fails though. Use this to library to link it channels and the 0 hour with different implementations. Why is it failing then? It looks like it's missing a CMake lists file here, no? In the tour? Um, 699 should be good. 700 needs work. I can redo it. I can redo it if you cannot. Six nine nine. Fix Linux compilation. Disable memlock return null. Huh? Oh, I see. How about how about make this else and if I think it's fine the way it is. Let's delete this again. If def win 32. If def win 32. Get last error. Add compress functionality to compress tour. Let's see. So this is enhancement, minor tools. F close. F close missing. In original code. F close. This is fixed. Can be moved out of can be moved to end of function, then duplicates removed. Can be moved to end of function to remove duplicates. Duplicates. Above. Mm-hmm. It will show a dialog and hit a breakpoint and click on retry and run without device. It will show a dialog that exits the game after button press. Jones debug build behaves. Neither I know how failed assert looks on Windows. Produces output as such. Test. Reported. It kills program and could be caught in debugger. Just use assert because it produces enough information and is portable. Yeah. Implemented error. The game debug, the game engine asserts allows to ignore reoccurring asserts of the same kind. This is we can go with the default assert. But it will be a pain to run if there ever is an unimplemented error hitting every frame. This is how asserts were implemented in SIME and they were unusable. Default assert is good when working on small projects where single author can fix assert immediately when it hits. Working on one-person project where a single author can fix assert immediately when it hits. Okay. Then okay, how do we do it? w3dview. Generals, w3dview. Okay, so generals w3dview. Okay, so how do we do it? We need to move. Basically, we need to move. I think we take a copy of this guy, yeah, and we move it in here. Then then we go to CMake lists. Let's go here. Tools. Okay, so I think set into source. I think what we need to do is I think we take this out and we take this out, and then we do interface, and we do this interface, and we do core, yeah. Then here we do also core. I'm not sure if that will work, but we'll see. Okay, and then we go to I think we need to okay, hold on. First we need to go to where is it? Here, take a copy of this guy, and we add w3dview. Yeah. Did we type it correctly? Yeah. Good. And then we go to 0 hour here, this one. So what we need to do is we keep this guy, and then do this. Yeah. Then here we do core. Let's go back one more time. Yeah. That's okay. So we say core w3dview interface. This interface gets the source files for the tool. Okay. Then we remove this here. Hold on, we need to go back to let's go back to core. Yeah. I think we need to also take this here back, because we need this one here. Interface. Then we take this out, and this. How about we make a copy of this? Private. Add executable. What was that previously? Win32. Win32. This was private. Let's do core lib. Let's do core E for interface. I think we can remove this one as well. We should be able to comment all this out. Core E. Okay, let's see if that links or not. There might be some error. Oh, no error. Oh, oh, error on generate. Okay. Cannot find source file interface. Cannot find source file interface. No source is given to target. Okay. It's a really small text. CMake error. Why is it now in VC package? Oh. One 169. Huh. Oh. Target core E of type executable may not be linked into another. Oh, what happened there? That's not the intention. How? Oh, add executable. Hold on, it needs to be add library. There we go. Let's try that again. That has generated. That's nice. Let's see if it also compiles. It would be cool if it did. Yeah, that would mean we have moved all the files to core, but we will be able to build 2 targets out of this, which is great. Exactly what we need. Okay, then let's see if that builds. Yeah. Looks promising so far. Yeah. Yeah, that has built. Then let's add the same bullshit to generals. So basically, So we also need to delete all these guys here. Let's see if that works. So we need to delete everything except CMake lists. This one. So remove this and this. Let's see if that still builds. Configure. Okay, then we take this, make a copy of this guy, and we move it to we move it to here. There we go. And we simply generals tools w3dview. So that will be G. Oh, G doesn't have audio. Oh, that's a bit of a problem. I think we need to copy fixes to WW Audio. Yeah, this is a problem because I think WW Audio is not set up on generals. Yeah, but I think we can fix that. Okay, so we. How did the word builder? Word builder, we did word builder V and ZH, right? Yeah. VOV. Let's do the same here, maybe. ZH. Okay, let's clean up here. So you remove this guy. Okay, we can delete all this. Okay, this should be good, but we need to sort WW Audio. Let me go to WinMerge. Code, game engine, source. Maybe it's not that. Code, libraries, source, Vegas. Yeah, Vegas and WW Audio. There we go. Yeah, let me copy this guy and put it generals MD. Compare. There we go. Aha. Okay. Oh, we have a bunch of bug files here. Let's delete the bug files. delete, delete, left. Okay. Right only, left only. Let me. I hope I didn't delete too much now. Oof, this change is huge, isn't it? Okay, it's not actually so huge. Okay, there is actually one more thing we need to add, and that is this one here. w3dview, there we go. And okay, what next? We need to we need to go to Vegas. Vegas, here. Okay, so we need to add audio. Let me go to this audio, 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 ww audio, audio. Okay. Let me go to ww audio. ww audio. I have the impression that here we have more entries than on 0 hour, no? Yeah, somehow. Debug. Debug. Oh, it's core. Oops. 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 I didn't mean to edit core. Let's go to, where's the correct one? Generals. Where is it? Somehow it's not showing me all the files, you know? Huh? Somehow it's not showing all the paths in generals. Something is not right here in this view. Huh. Well, that's weird. Huh. Oh, that's bugged, isn't it? Well, then let's search for it here. CMake lists, generals. Oof. Looking for Vegas. Oh boy. How do we find it in this mess? Ugh. Here. There we go. Okay, audio is here. Huh. It's interesting that it's already added here. Audio. Okay. Good. That should do. There's a difference here, up here. Can we remove this? Okay, that looks good. So now we need to copy over the these changes. Okay, so this we can move right to left. Huh? Oh, copy left to right. Okay. So this is 0 hour. Next. Yep. Hold on. Right. Okay. Okay. Yep, I think that works. Let me recompare without without comments, and that's a perfect match. Excellent. Okay, this should work now. Let me go here to w3d. W3D. Where's it? Ah, it's tools. Hold on. Why do we not see tools now? Where's tools? Huh? It looks like this program is swallowing certain entries. It's not always showing all the files. It's weird. It is missing now the tools folder. Huh. That's so weird. Maybe we need to toggle, or can we like research? Maybe. Oh, now it shows tools. Huh. Oh no, that's core. Ugh. I don't know. It somehow doesn't show it correctly. Something is bugged in this VS Code. I'm not surprised. There's always something bugged in this program. Okay, so here core looks good. Do we also have it included here? Yeah. Okay, this might work now actually. Let's see. This might work. No, it doesn't. Cannot create targets that. Ah, I see. Right, we forgot to edit that. Can we access it here? This one. There we go. There we go. Ugh. There we go. Okay. WR source. Okay. And should be able. We can't open the tool now here, so we need to go back in our folder. Let's open this, and this says GWW audio. Yeah, okay. Good. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's a shame. It's a shame that all these tools are bugged. Always something does not work right. I'm looking forward to the day when tools are bug free, and I think that this won't get any better in the future, because now these programmers, these junior programmers that can't write like proper tools that work without bugs, they will now use AI to generate their code, and they won't know what the AI generates for them, and the AI will generate code that has a gazillion of bugs, and then they will ship new tools with a gazillion of bugs because they use the AI, because they can't think for themselves. And so my belief is that the tools maybe will degrade over time, become worse and worse and worse. The more engineers they throw, incompetent engineers they throw at this, that they don't know how to program for themselves and have to use AI to generate the code for them. I think that's the future. Yeah. Good. Then let me see. Did I fix it, or I can't remember. I was talking and I forgot what I did. Yeah. Okay. Generate. Okay, cool. That works. Reload. Then we let that build. Error. Uh-oh. Oof. Okay. Okay, there are multiple errors. Yeah. 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 Okay, maybe that's fine, and Thompsons can then figure out how to resolve those compiler errors. Yeah. How should we name compile options for libraries? Um, RTS has. It's okay to me. At Thompson's, I have set up for generals w3dview done. It errors on compile with things like let me go to outputs. Builds here. Will you take care of these things from there on, or is there something I need to do for it? I would merge it with generals with so to me it looks like that these compile errors would be then for Thompson's to take over. It's not for me to fix. I mean, I could look into it, but I think that's what Thompson's will look into. Yeah. Okay. I need to go very quick. All right, we are back. Good. So, yeah. So these compile errors is probably for Thompson's. Yeah, texture class is part of w3d2. Yeah. Okay. So what I will do, I will make two commits. Yeah, two commits. So we take these two here. And then we take these guys. Cartoons. So this guy here, let me search that real quick. Or just open it here. I think we can remove that. So this is Gen. Let me open. Let me open file tray. Code tools. Source Vegas. Yeah. No. Audio. View history. Oof. Audio. Current coins. Okay, so this guy. Fixed legacy function calls. Notepads. Well, is I would like to check something. The MSS 32 DLL, is this the same thing? MSS 32. It looks, at least from the size, it looks the same. It's not modified on the same day. The size is the same though. Can we do... Oops. Files compare by... Oh, hold on. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Synchronize DS. Compare. MSS32 is the same. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. By contents. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Then that's good. Okay. So the first change we did is this one. Make it compile. Anything else we did there, or just these things? What about this one? It looks the same to me. No, it doesn't. He didn't submit it yet. Okay. Okay, that means we can... so we say add CMake setup, then we make it compile with ES 2022. Oof. You also have this change here. Hold on. Hold on. So we also have this change. Should we make it all one change, or? Yeah. um, so, okay. Let me unstage these guys. Not this one. Let me unstage all these guys. Okay, so w3dview audio. Okay, so we are looking at this guy. Let's start from the top. This guy. This. Okay, it's just these few. Six files and the CMake. Add subdirectory w3dview audio. One is missing here. Which one? Audio, sound scene CPP. Aha, here. Okay, that should do. Add CMake setup for w3dview audio, make it compile. Okay, then we make the next change. This guy. Just these two, right? Then we do gen fix legacy function calls to minus and w3dview audio. And then the last change is this one. Well, not the last one, the second last one. Graphic view. Okay. How many files? 5, 12. 12. Gen removed. Audio. Okay. Then, yeah, these guys we need to take. Yeah, let's just stage all of them. I think that's fine. General's code. Okay, this one we need to comment out, right? By general's tools. Huh. General's code tools. Why is this not updated? General's tools. Ah, it's here. Right. Good. I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay, so this is core move w3dview as an interface to core and build and set up independent w3dview tool builds executables for generals and 0 hour. Move w3d source files. With a CMake. Move w3d files with a CMake interface to core and set up independent w3d executables for generals and 0 hour. Yeah. The problem here is that this means see this. I think I need to change this to build generals tools or build 0 hour tools. We remove this. Temporary. To be removed. Build generals, extras. Then we have that, and now we do remove this when remove this after remove when core is pristine. Remove this when core is pristine. I think we actually need to do the same thing in Vegas. Core Vegas. Math. Add subdirectory math. Core Vegas. Ah, no, that's fine. Okay. Let me unstage this one. Okay, then actually we can, how about we add here, add subdirectory. Okay, then we can. Okay, let's see if that will set up correctly. Configure. Okay. Then we have that, and then we can do. We compile it once. Let me add library interfaces here. And put it here like this. We add this comment here. Generates. Okay, that has succeeded. Let's see. So if we go to core, release, okay, debug. Okay. Let's go to 0 hour codes, main tools, and w3dview release. Oh, it's not in there. Hold on. Here. Yeah, so that was built 2 days ago. Oops. this here. Why has this not built? Ah, because you're not building release, building debug. There we go. That is here now, and that is from a while ago. Let me rebuild this. Project only rebuild. Where's it? Yeah. And that has rebuilt, yeah. Okay, that works. w3dview ZH. Okay, perfect. Then then we close this one. Okay. Then we push this guy. Push. Okay, there we go. Then we go here, there. Okay, and this will be core gen sync w3dview audio with 0 hour and create merge with rebase. Sync w3dview audio with 0 hour and create labels, generals, unify, minor, build, and create w3dview target for generals. Move w3d files, w3dview files to core and create w3dview target for generals. Or let's say prepare. This change replicates the following 3 changes. This change replicates the following 3 changes to get w3dview audio to get in generals, to get w3dview audio of generals in sync with 0 hour. It also moves. It then moves all w3dview files to core and creates an library creates a library interface that allows both generals and 0 hour to build a version of it. The generals build the generals w3dview build is disabled because it has leftover compile errors. It can be enabled with, it can be enabled by commenting out. What do we need to comment out? Tools, w3dview. This one, commenting out. Then we take these guys here. Okay. Okay, this change replicates the following 3 changes to get W out of general in sync with 0. The following changes replicates the following to get W of generals in sync with 0. It then moves all w3d files to core and creates a library interface that allows both generals and 0 to build a version of it. The general's w3dview build is disabled because it has leftover compile errors from w3d2. It can be enabled by commenting out that. You can also say, let's just rewrite, closes 700. Review ready. Review ready with that. Good. What's the time? Almost 2 hours. I think I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.